Murray River Jet Ski Marathon, raising funds and awareness for the National Centre for Farmer Health. We've just launched from Yarrawonga, set for a fantastic 9-day trip, and our first stop will be Tokemore.
It gets harder to forgive and harder to forget. It gets under your shirt like a dagger at work. The first cut is the deepest, but the rest are flipping hurt. You build your heart of plastic, you're cynical and sarcastic, and end up in the corner on your own. Cause I love to feel love, but I can't stand the rejection. I hide behind my jokes as a form of protection. I thought I was close, but under further inspection, it seems I've been running in the wrong direction. Oh no. What's the point in getting your hopes up when all you're ever getting is choked up? When you're coked up and can't remember the reason why I broke up. You call her in the morning when you're coming down and falling like an old man on the side of the road. Cause when you're apart you don't wanna mingle, when you're together you wanna be single. Ever the chase to taste the kiss of bliss that made your heart tingle. How much greener the grass is with those rose-tinted glasses, but the butterflies, they flutter by and leave us on our asses. Cause I love to feel love, but I can't stand the rejection. I hide behind my jokes.
Yeah, g'day, I'm Peter, and I'm here in Tuliba, and I'm supporting the Jet Ski Marathon.
Taking a very short detour, and we've just headed up the Murrumbidgee River.
I'd jump in if it wasn't for my ear infection, cause all I wanna do is try to make a connection. It seems I've been running in the wrong direction. Oh.
Hi, I'm Justin from River Gardens Holiday Park. I support the Murray River Jet Ski Marathon.
Stand the rejection, I hide behind the jokes as a form of protection.
Stefano's restaurant here in Mildura, and we are proud to support the Murray River Jet Ski Marathon.
Running in the wrong direction. I love to feel love, but I can't stand the rejection. I hide behind my jokes.
Hi, I'm Damien Woody, and I'm supporting the Murray Jet Ski Marathon.
Further inspection, it seems I've been running in the wrong direction.
Hi, I'm Violet from the Woolshed Brewery at Renmark, and we're supporting Farmers Health.
Seems like I'm running in the wrong direction. Oh. Seems like I'm running in the wrong direction. Oh. Well, it seems I've been running the wrong direction. Oh, no. Seems I've been running in the wrong direction.
We're from the Cordo Vineyard in South Australia, and we support the Murray River Jet Ski Marathon.
Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low.
So having a great day, expecting a top of 29 degrees. And Shauna and Sinead and Michael and Marita, the support crew, are all here. And we're heading towards Mannum to the pub for lunch, and then on to Welling.
Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping
I support the Murray River Jet Ski Marathon. Oh God.
And it goes so fast. You see it when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies.
I'm Tom, I'm here at the Wellington Hotel,
I'm here to support the boys down from Yarrawonga on the Murray River speedboats and the farmers' health, mental health situation.
From the Welly Hotel, we're supporting the farmers' health.
Hi, my name's Sam. We're here at the Wellington Hotel supporting the Murray River Jet Ski Marathon.
I'm here at the Wellington pub supporting the Murray River Wellington.
Ceiling in the dark, same old empty feeling.
Farmers' health.
Will you see you when you fall asleep, but never to touch and never to keep, cause you loved her too much and you dive too deep. Where you only need the light when it's burning low, only miss the sun when it starts to snow, only know you love her when you let her go, only know you've been high when you're feeling low, only hate the road when you're missing home, only know you love her when you let her go, and you let her go. Oh, 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 oh. And you let her go. Oh, 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 oh. Will you let her go? You only need the light when it's burning low, only miss the sun when it starts to snow, only know you love her when you let her go, only know you've been high when you're feeling low, only hate the road when you're missing home, only know you love her when you let her go, 'cause you only need the light when it's burning low, only miss the sun when it starts to snow, only know you love her when you let her go.